I'm gonna interview people. Okay, what is your name?
Imar.
Yours. And how old are you?
I will be 11 next month.
Batty. Okay, and what is your favorite role in Nutcracker that you don't play?
Sugar Plum and Clara.
Okay, Batty. What's your name?
Rosalie.
And how old are you?
I'm 12.
And what's your favorite part in the Nutcracker
Mm,
that you don't play? Are you in the Nutcracker?
yes, I'm in the
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah.
Oh
yeah.
let's see. That I'm not in. Probably. Hold on.
We pop. Okay.
Hold on. Probably either Sugar Plum or Chinese.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Harper.
What is your name?
Harper. And how old are you?
10.
And what's your favorite part in the Nutcracker that you don't play?
Probably candy canes.
Okay, Batty. Cheese. What's your name?
Chase.
And how old are you?
11.
And what's your favorite part in the Nutcracker that you don't play?
Candy cane.
Oh. Okay. Well, what's your name?
Clara.
How old are you?
12.
And what's your favorite part in the Nutcracker that you don't play?
Oh, don't play. Probably snow. Just like the whole snow. Like, well, like
She said like the whole, like the.
like Snow Queen and I like Arabian.
Yeah, that's about it. Galilea.
What is your name?
Galilea. And how old are you?
12.
And what's your favorite part in the Nutcracker that you don't play?
I'd say my favorite part in the Nutcracker that I don't play is Chinese.
Batty.
I have a great idea.
Oh.
Wait, let me